Hi, Stuart here from Sahara Barbecues. In this video, I'm going to introduce the new Sahara outdoor kitchen to you. This is coming in 2026. So the range is made up of 4 products. There is the kitchen island unit. There is the sink unit. There's the open corner unit. And there is the upper shelf unit. Now, with any outdoor kitchen, the quality and the durability in particular is really important. Customers will assemble this and leave it outdoors permanently, and most of the time it'll be uncovered. So the raw materials that we use and the coating materials that we use are really important. The base material on any of the powder coated parts is pre-galvanized steel. So that effectively eliminates the risk of any corrosion or any rusting happening over the years. When we coat it with a high UV grade powder so that this prevents any deterioration in the powder or any color fade. And that's really important for a modular outdoor kitchen because you may buy a sink unit this year and 2 or 3 years later you may buy the kitchen island unit to add to it. And you want to be sure that there's no color difference. So using a high UV grade powder is really important. And then in terms of the top work surface, we've gone for stainless steel. One, it's the most durable, but importantly, you have to use the right grade. So we're using a 443 grade of stainless steel. Now this is provided you're not deep drawing the material or overly welding it. 443 will not corrode, will not rust. We've been using it for over 10 years in outdoor kitchens, and it's proven itself in that regard. So getting into the details on the different modules. With the outdoor kitchen, the kitchen island unit, it's a 90 by 60 in terms of the dimensions. Like the sink unit, it has an open shelving area at the bottom, and then the upper area is an enclosed cabinet. This gives extra functionality in terms of the storage, but it also helps with the proportions and the aesthetics. If it was one closed unit, it would feel very heavy and look very clunky. One of the really unique features on our kitchen island unit is the ability to load a gas cylinder. So this means that it can be used as a pizza oven stand or a tabletop barbecue stand. So here it is configured for normal use. You have the full use of the middle shelf. However, if you want to load a cylinder, you remove this panel, place it on the base. It now acts as a protection for the lower shelf, and you load your gas cylinder inside. There's an opening on the side and an opening in the back wall for you to feed a regulator and gas hose through. So you can place your pizza oven on top of the unit and work away. This means it doubles up and really serves 2 purposes for your customers in terms of a product SKU. On the sink unit, this product comes complete with the tap and with the sink. The tap is connected to the water supply by way of a traditional garden quick connect. So a garden hose quick connect. So it's really easy to connect the water, and it comes also with a drain kit. The drain kit can be fitted by anybody really easily. They can choose to run the water away to a drain in the patio, to a flower bed, or if they wanted to, they could get a plumber in to plumb it in. But ultimately, you don't need any outside assistance when installing this. Like the kitchen unit, the sink unit, the doors have soft close hinges, and that gives a real premium feel, just like your kitchen cabinets inside at home. The open corner unit is a really important element because this is what allows customers to configure the units in an L shape or a U shape. It gives more flexibility. It can also be used as a smaller module though, depending on the space you have. It has 2 open shelves, and it has it'll have 2 wine glass holders to give you a little bit of extra storage as well. And then you have the upper shelf. The upper shelf can be fitted to the sink unit and to the kitchen island unit. It provides extra storage, obviously. It has these hooks that you can position wherever you want. This shelf is fixed, and then this shelf can also be moved around and placed at whichever level you'd like as well. All of the units have adjustable feet so that when putting everything together, you can get the surfaces to line up really nicely. And of course, from a design point of view, we're working to tie everything in together. So the arc barbecue ties in perfectly with the range in terms of aesthetics and proportions, as does the new griddle and roast gas barbecue that we're introducing for next season. So there you have it. That's the Sahara Outdoor Kitchen for 2026.